Hey, it's Jen, and I'm just going to show you really quick how to post to Google Classroom from CC. So in your lesson, you'll have the option to add a card here at the bottom. So you're going to click that, and then there's the option to add Google Classroom card. So after you click that, you'll see that there's 5 different options of posts to Google Classroom. So you just choose whichever one. So I'm going to choose short answer question. Now, if you don't have your Google connected yet, there'll be a button here to connect your Google account. So you'll just go through that. It's really quick and easy. But then once that's done, then you'll be able to set up your posts. So back to my short answer question. So let's say I'm going to ask my students a question here. Maybe it's a bell ringer, something I want them to answer at the beginning of class. Maybe it's like a formative check-in at the end of class, whatever you want. You can add in your instructions and then add any attachments that you want to. You can add in a topic and then also points for the short answer question if there is any. And the really cool part is down here. So these are your classes and your due dates. So those are where the name of your classes will be listed. So here's your class, and then here's where you can schedule when the short answer question is posted in Google Classroom. So you can choose the time that it's posted. So let's say this class starts at 8:10 and I want it to post right away so my students have something to do right when they get into class. And then when I want it due is the same day. So I'll just leave that there. But if this is like a longer assignment, you can choose other days. So you can give them like a whole week if you want to. And then CC will post this automatically. So you'll just click update. And then in your lesson, here's that Google Classroom card. You can see here that one is scheduled to post. So you can add in more cards if you want to. So let's say you have a material or an announcement or whatever other kind of post to Google Classroom. You can add in more than one per lesson if you would like to. And then you just do that same process for any lesson where you want to add in a Google Classroom card. You can also do this in your templates. So go to Settings button, click on your templates, and let's say that for my period 3, I want to have a Google Classroom card automatically show up in every lesson. So maybe that is going to be an announcement, and then that classroom card is right there, and then that way you don't have to add it in every day. Okay, so that was really quick. If you have any questions about how to do this or you give it a try and you're just wondering about how you can make that work better, let us know on support and we'll get you answered.